Okay, you're going first.
Yeah.
Game 3. Probably should have marked it the other game. No! Lame.
Whew.
Did you not have a grade 1?
Nope.
Oh, lame. Attack Vanguard.
Oh yeah.
Go
Oh,
ahead.
there's one of them.
Hey.
My turn.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. That's fine.
Hit one.
Yep. Nope.
Draw. 9. 14. Go ahead.
It's a really bad habit of mine that I have is like, oh fuck. Okay. I take a bunch of early damage all the time.
That's fine. You just need to be good at micromanaging later on in the game.
I want to be stylish.
Okay. I guess.
You.
Sure. Plus 5k. Thank God. Stand and draw.
Fine.
Shitty.
It's worth it. Really almost had to juice this myself. It's fine.
That's fine. I found Harry. I'm okay with that. I'm getting rid of.
Did you make it?
Yeah, I got
Cool.
the Harry. I don't need you, and I don't need you. Actually, I need you. I don't need you. Oh, I guess I'm never gonna use 2 more words. Stray. Oh, I only have 1 kind of last one.
Six tribe.
Okay, I'm not gonna use Shred Skill. I use
Okay.
Piranha Skill though. Put this into my soul. And I call something out of Magia. Call Skill, Soul Charge. Call. This thing Skill. Oh, I have to put something in my soul. His skill to call this out to Soul Charge. Call this out. I don't think anything will get play. Wait. What are you doing on my dice? Okay, Rainy. Oh, I found it. So you get +5, you get plus. Oh no, this is
What the
+5.
fuck is happening?
This is
It's zoned out.
I know. Okay.
Oh my god, so a lot of things are hitting me this turn.
Attack the Vanguard. Attack the Vanguard. This one. Attack the Vanguard.
I'm gonna take that.
Oh, this was
Because I have to.
really?
This could be a quick game. Well, yeah, this could be a quick game 3.
They have power?
Yeah.
Power stand?
Yeah. Oh, power stand. My turn.
Oh, very anticlimactic.